be up under there. Gotta hook it up and everything. It's so cold, man. Yo, what's going on, y'all? You already know who it is. Just Shayla. And I'm back with another video. Yo, man, y'all gonna believe this. But anyway, right now I'm stuck on the side of the road, man. As y'all can see. You know what I'm saying? Stuck on the side of the road and everything because I'm having some trouble. Damn, my hat fell off the door, y'all. It fell on the ground, so that's why I saw it dusty and stuff. Tried to dust it out, but it ain't coming up, so it is what it is. But anyway, so yeah, man, so stuck on the side of the road because I'm almost to the place I need to go. Well, not almost there, but I was like on my way there, should I say. And then my truck just started, like, the light, engine light kept coming on. So I'm like, what the heck going on, man? So then, when the red one started flashing, so it was the red and the yellow flashing. I'm like, man, dang. So I ended up, like, I had to pull over because you already know that thing gonna cut off on you. So I ended up pulling over or whatever and sitting there for a few minutes. And I'm like, all right, let me see if it's going, if I can go now. So when I looked, she did it again. I started seeing that the water light right here, for y'all that don't know, right here, and that junk was way over here. It was like lower than 250, so it was like on the dot right there. So I'm just like, what the hell? So I'm like, man, damn. So I turned the truck back off. I'm like, all right, I'm gonna just sit and see if it, maybe it's the sensor or something. Maybe it's just tripping. So I turned it back off, and then I turned it back, cranked it back up and everything, and it didn't go back to 200. So I'm like, man, it got to be. So I'm like, all right, so what I'll do is, because I'm not about to deal with it, I'm going to get off, and then I'm going to go back to the terminal, because I'm like not even, like, maybe 4 miles away from the terminal right now. So I'm like, all right, cool. So I drive. Mind y'all, I'm on this side of the freeway, over there, on east. I'm east. I was going east. Right now I'm on west. So I'm like, okay, cool. Well, I'm right here by the exit. I can just get off and then turn around. So I get off, turn around, and as I'm turning around at the lights come back on again. Man, soon as I'm like, oh man, I gotta stop this junk. So, but I couldn't park because it wasn't no shoulder. It wasn't from nowhere for me to like park it, like, stop the truck. So I'm like, damn. So I had to keep going a little bit. Soon as I like almost get off the shoulder, that bitch started dying. Like the wheel locked and everything. You know what I'm saying? You know how like it locked real slow and then like it just automatically like died, like you can't do nothing with it. So luckily it was enough grass for me to get right there, and the shoulder was starting to get there or whatever. So I'm get there to the on the edge or whatever, and then I just stopped. So that's where I'm at right now. And I'm saying got the triangles out and everything. So tow truck just got here, man. It's 8:34. I've been here for about probably 2 hours. So, you know what I'm saying? Let's see what happened. Let's see what he's talking about. Alright, y'all. So right now he's in my truck, moving it, getting it out this little ditch. Not even a ditch, but like this little hole. And my truck is basically saying that, the battery is low. So he got to get it all the way up here so he can tow it. What he actually doing. We're trying to hurry up and get it off before it turns off because the battery is low. Yeah. That's what's going on right now. This is the first time I've ever been back here. Well, of course. But I see this little mistake over there. Bob, he done fell. He had to get me up out of there. One thing, it's super cold. I need to put my other jacket on. Look like it's about to rain. It's like a wasted day, man, so far. Like, for real, for real. Alright, so we up under there. Gotta hook it up and everything. It's so cold, man. Yo, it's like extremely cold. Okay, let me get my other jacket. Next truck that I'm in, and hopefully y'all have no problems. Because this is crazy. So it's gonna be, oh, I thought that was it. Oh, bam, I think that's it right there. Yep, 356184. So that's where I'm headed right now. It's cold. Let me see. I look like I'm super freezing, but like I said, I had to put my thick jacket on because it's like hella cold. Hopefully everything, all the bells and whistles work on this truck, cause if not, I'm going home early. I'm like, man, just give me some of my PTO. Check the tires and everything. Shoot. I just use some of my vacation hours to make up today. But did a little quick walk around. I'm gonna get up under the hood and check everything. And then, oh, damn, they've been smoking in here. Ew. And look at, I don't know what this is, but nah, bro. I forgot to tell y'all that it's snowflakes falling. So, it's more than likely probably gonna snow tonight. Crazy. Good thing I'm off tomorrow. Shoot. I gotta go pick up this trailer from over here and then be on my way. It's cold as you know what right now. So you better be running your heat. Better wear a coat. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna go pick this up and then go drop this. So I'll see y'all at the rail. Alright, y'all, so right now I had to give me some food, man. Hungry. So I'm finally about to head and drop this first load. Hopefully I can finish out the week strong. It's only my second day of the week, so you know I got 4 more days to go, so you know, should be cool. Didn't take long, you know, I had to take a bathroom break, then got me some food. Now I'm about to head to Fairburn and drop this one at the rail. Got it from Austell, the Austell rail, so that's like across town. So that's what I'm about to do. Let me go ahead, get that going. I think I got about like 8 hours, maybe 7, but I think I'm gonna end up doing 3 loads today because it's just been crazy. So yeah, I'll see you at the rail. All right, y'all, so I'm at the Fairburn rail. Been here for a minute. I had to pick up another load from here, but apparently it's showing that it's not here. But JB Hunt is saying that from the GPS it is here. So right now I gotta basically unlock these pins, unlock these locks right here. I'll put it right here so y'all can see. I'm pretty sure I showed you before in the video, but I have to unlock this because if you don't, they'll ban you from the rail for a certain amount of time. So you just basically, this is how you just lock it. This is how you unlock it. Unlocked. It hangs down like that. That's the back locks for the trailer, back of the trailer. I'll do this one. upside down. So, I don't know what the heck I was doing. So, then I got to do the front ones. And it's basically just pulling this forward. And then it goes out like that. Down. Yo, it's not as cold as it was, I guess, because the sun is up. So, then I do this one. Same thing, pliers. Just make sure it's all the way out. So it's like they want you to do that, so when they're taking the container off of the chassis, it's easier for them to do that. It's all right here. Yeah, it's easier for them to just put the take the box off of the chassis and put it on the train. So that stopped them from having to you know, take them time to unlock it. Once again, this is under the crane. Yo, why am I was like cranking it up. Down. Use your head, silly. Tripping. So, I don't know what they want me to do. They told me to ride around and see if I can find it. But I don't think I want to do that. So, unless it's on this damn row. 310127. Oh damn, I thought it was the one. I was about to be hyped. 27. I guess I ain't got nothing but time, so I'll just make this my last load. So if I find it, I'll let y'all know. So I'll see y'all in a minute.